What's up, everyone? It's Gabby Trades and Missy. Welcome back to the channel. Bitcoin live trading. What's up, Methodical Marcus? How is everyone doing? Guys, I'm so happy to see you today. We're going to be discussing a crazy day that I have today. I couldn't lose today, so I can't wait to show you the trades. But before we get started, you know what to do. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. If you're new here, welcome, and hit the small bell notification so you never miss a live breakdown here with me. Alrighty then. Okay, cool. I don't know, did I start a little bit earlier today? I have no idea, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump straight into it today because we don't have time. Guys, restart the chat box right now because we're about to discuss some very, very important trades today. Okay, some very, very important trades today and yesterday. All right, so I had a massive winning streak today. I couldn't lose a trade. And this is also the good thing about me, like streaming a little bit later. So I'm in the mode, I'm in the zone while, we have the New York session in the morning. So it's very important for me to have that, right? So before, when we were streaming at London session, it's hard, and then afternoon I'm busy with other stuff, editing videos or whatever, so it's kind of impossible. It's really just weird like that. So the changing of times of the live stream has really massively helped me. Okay, anyways, so let's start with the trade from yesterday. All right, cool. Yesterday, very clean entry down here, RTM model, pure, amazing, perfect retrace to the T, where you enter and you get a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Now, if you manage to take a trade like that on a funded account, which I told you guys now that I got a funded account, honestly, seriously, a day like that is just gonna get you. Stop it, Missy, stop. Do not touch the camera. I know I'm talking to the camera, but don't be confused. She was about to knock my camera off, you guys. Good evening from Germany. Hi, hello. So perfect retrace RTM model. You guys know what to do. Just go and get the course. Just please do it. Okay, please do it. I'm begging you. Okay, this is going to change your trading career. Just do it. Okay, just do it. You have support on Discord. Make sure to check in the description box. Just do it, you guys. I'm honestly getting mad at you if you're not doing it, because look at what's happening. Okay, perfect retrace yesterday. If you weren't sure, right, let's say you're not sure in that trade, secondary entry today at the retrace of the true week open, right? You have 1, 2 retraces. You have a confirmation with the indicator, right? A bullish confirmation with the indicator in case you're confused, even if you enter late. Following that, today, what happens? New York session. Hello, Captain JJ. New York session. What happens after that? RTM people. Stanimir is on the course. Who else is on the course that's in the chat here? I think Mind Tapestry has got the course as well. I'm not sure. I'm starting to forget who else got the course. Right? Perfect manipulation. At the exact times that we teach in the course. We have an exact time frame in the course to watch for manipulation. The manipulation happens where? In an area of interest, right? The triangular formation, the support. Manipulate into the support, freaking send it, right? Send it. So on a 25K challenge using 1%, do you understand how much this is? You have to, in order to pass your first stage, you need $3,000, and you can make that with only this trade. Not even thinking about the previous trade that you took yesterday. Okay, only one trade. You have 2 stages. In the next one, you need to make $2,500, no problem. Next trade. What is happening in a bullish day? You know that true month open is the area of rejection. So you either have a limit order at the true month open, or you wait for a confirmation, which we got on the 5 minutes, and in the 1 minute was actually perfect confirmation. and you enter on the retrace of the confirmation as per the RTM model. If you don't know where the RTM model is, I don't care. It's here on the WAP in the description box. If you don't get it, you're an actual idiot. Okay? That's what I think. So I honestly, I don't know what to tell you. Continue. Let's continue, right? It doesn't end. You have the short. You can calculate your standard deviation, take profit, right? And then what happens? Where this price comes back into? True week open. True week open. Another limit order, send. Okay? How? I honestly, I don't know. I don't know. Today was actually a blessing. A lot of people are being liquidated left, right, and center on today's price action. For me, it was the most profitable day I've had in months. More of this, Bitcoin, please, more of this. If you're an actual trader, this is my bread and butter, you guys, over here, right here. If you don't understand the RTM model, you don't know what you're doing. Like, look at the respect of the levels. It's insane. So yesterday, today, like, I don't even remember the last time when I had a losing trade. I genuinely don't remember. How I can't calm down. It's just insane, right? It's just insane that we're here and we've got 40, I don't know how many people we have, 45 people on this. Like, are you freaking serious? We have 2,700 followers on YouTube. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Anyway, all right, anyway, I'm not gonna get mad anymore. These were my trades today and yesterday. Literally, I could not freaking lose. And you can do that every single day. Every single day. It's actually perfect. If Bitcoin is trading like horse ass, it's even better. Please, Bitcoin, do that. Because then you give us more opportunities for more entries. Does that make sense, you guys? So today was brilliant. Today was absolutely brilliant, right? Days like this, more, please, if you can, if you will. All right. Now let's go on a cleaner chart, higher time frame. Cleaner chart, higher time frame. Actually, no markings whatsoever. I think this was from the teachings of the RTM course, so we're going to delete that. Now, I want you guys to be active in the chat box so we can get more people to join us. Think of this way. You have one more RTM graduate, me. Yes, I do. I know. Bitcoin. Monthly time frame. What are we looking at? You guys, what are we looking at? Your favorite cup and handle. What else are we looking at? Bitcoin. 100% measure move. See ya. Goodbye. That's it. Done. Perfect execution. Right? Perfect execution. In the targets that we have set for freaking ages, right? Leg 1, leg 2. This is again using the RTM model on a higher time frame. 23,000, 25,000. Okay. All right. Which chart were we using? This one. Okay. Measured move, 100% done. Okay. Where are we now? What are we doing currently? We're just looking at the raw chart, right? We're just looking at the raw chart. Keep it on a monthly. Keep it on a monthly. The way Bitcoin is trading at the moment, the best thing that could happen for this asset is to find support here, right? Around this level. That would be ideal, right? That would be perfect if that happens. Because we see we have some support in that level. We're currently trying to respect it. Perfect. From here on, even if we respect even if they rally it, it's a huge rejection over here. It could be just to reconfirm that level at around 107K and then send it back lower. Then what happens after that? What happens after that? Classic head and shoulders. See ya. This is what happening. This up. I mean, it's just like, it's easy. Okay. Now, if we just send it lower from here, all right, where can we look at? Here. Okay. Then we start looking at this range, because then we're going to be considering as a range distribution, right? Retrace back to the sorry, not distribution, range, right? Trend away from the range, retest the range, and distribute. That's like in a scenario where you're just like extremely positive, everything is going good, it's all you know, perfect, and Michael Saylor is right, Bitcoin is gonna get to 150K before the end of the year. All right, that's the ideal case scenario. Okay, this is where you had control last. So, you know, in a case of things not working out, we're gonna have to come back to true year open, potentially sweep the lows at true year open, right? Where is true year open? Where is true year open? 78.2, right? Retest true year open, potentially the buy zone, potentially the daily support at 72. These are the areas of interest, 3 zones of interest that we have. Now, if we start losing these levels, then we're gonna have to resort to lower levels, right? Lower levels, such as this one down here, right? Now you're looking at, what are you looking at? 55, 57 levels of potential reversal for Bitcoin. Okay. Hit the like button, everyone. Yes, I forget to ask. I don't know how many people we have live. By the way, if you guys are missing the lives, honestly, I don't know what you're doing. If you're not getting the course, I don't know what you're doing, and I honestly can't care less. I just can't care less, because the prop firm that I'm promoting in the description box, I'm gonna be the person that's gonna bankrupt them. I can guarantee you that. Okay. So that's the current situation, right? On an empty chart. This is what you're looking at the moment. Stanimir is laughing. It's not funny. I'm not even joking. Ethereum. All right, let's look at ETH. Very ugly. Very ugly. Not very impressed. Honestly, you guys, if we lose the levels down here, we pretty much have 0 to no support before 2,300, 2,100. So that's the reality. Solana, it better take the liquidity that it needs to take down here and hold. Because if we lose that level, this is next. Now we're looking at $110, $100. God knows how much are we looking at, right? So now or never for Sol. Today was, like I said, one of the most successful trading days that I've had since yesterday. Every single move caught, milked to the T. So I honestly don't know what to tell you. I honestly, like, people are complaining, what is this price action? I'm like, it's probably the best price action that I've seen in forever. Dottie, that's fine. Welcome, dude. Everyone, I'm gonna ask you, go and share the live stream somewhere so we can get more people to click on that link, so I can at least feel that we're doing something. Yeah, it was great price action today. Very, very, very happy with today's price action. Even now, the way we're trading, I'm happy, because I know that when we're trading like that, I'm highly likely to get another trade tomorrow on Thursday, or maybe 5-6 more trades, right? And then I'll probably even get a payout at that point. I only started the challenge yesterday. Okay. I don't know. I mean, it's been nice, honestly. Like, I haven't been trading challenges for a long time because I've been focusing on my own account, but it's nice. It's like money for free. You know, why not? Take it on your account, take it on the challenge account. Let's go. Yes, everyone hit the like button. I don't even know if we should be looking at altcoins at the moment, but for the sake of it, before we look at some TradFi, because TradFi is more interesting. TradFi is more okay. XRP 177 next stop. I might as well put a limit down here, because that's the only place I would like to buy XRP. And if my trade fails at XRP at 177, my next level, unfortunately for XRP, is going to be at $1. All right, like I'm not even kidding. It's literally 177 or $1 for me on XRP, like nothing else. Literally, I'm not interested in anything else. But looking the way Bitcoin's trading today, I think if we continue to trade that way today, give a little bit more downside today, potentially tomorrow we'll catch some longs again. I'm so pumped, Dottie. Honestly, like today was freaking amazing. Like the price action today was perfect. More days like this. If Bitcoin is planning to trade like this until the rest of Christmas, all I'm gonna be doing at the Christmas table is trading. You know, for Christmas, my mom will be talking to me, I'll be trading. You know, I don't care, because this is it's just too good. It's too good to ignore. It's too good to ignore. But considering that XRP is getting at levels, maybe we should look at some other altcoins. You guys give me an idea, because I messed up my list and all my altcoins are completely messed up right now. Where is the CRV that we were looking at here? Oh. I think CRV, I don't have a level for it. Maybe here on a daily 0.3. If XRP holds at 177, CRV should hold at around 0.3. I feel daily level, not bad. Yeah, previous inflection point. Yeah, I would like that. I think all depends on ETH. Yeah, I mean, genuinely it does. It does depend on ETH, you guys. Like, it's not even a joke. So this is our ETH entry. I want to press shift. No, screw it. I can't do that. We're just gonna have to extend it. So this is kind of our zone here. So assuming that our zone is going to hold, because we're long from down here, right? From the retrace of this wick to the T. That's where our long is. World, yeah, we can look at that. Whatever you feel are the best trades today, Gabby. Today, not anymore. Today we're done, right? Trading in New York afternoon, you shouldn't do that, right? You shouldn't do that. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the timings, all right? Let's have a look at the timings. Cool. So 12 o'clock, we're on the 15-minute. Hold on. 12 o'clock, so now it's like 118 or something, 118. So that means an hour and 20 minutes before now, you need to stop for the day. You need to be done. Does that make sense? This is just remember that time. That's the cutoff. That's the cutoff. Yeah. So this is kind of the zones we're looking here for ETH. Okay, hopefully on a higher time frame it's going to look a little bit better. Hopefully on a higher time frame this might be, you know, like a wick, and then we come above, we reclaim 2,800, because below 2,800 we don't have anything before 2,380 to support us. We're getting into you don't need to You just mark them on Bitcoin, Dottie. You don't need to mark them on Ethereum. I don't even do that. Who cares? Like you can literally see the zones, right? That's what's important. Hello, Diamond Eyes, another graduate from the course, you guys. Get the course. I can't, honestly, I'm not, if you want to buy anything for Christmas for yourself, get that. Okay, get that. Let's open it over here. Hopefully we're not going to get any ads. No, we're not getting ads. In the description box, the indicators is absolute must-have, 30 days free. Guys, I can provide that for you now. And the trading course down here. If you don't get that, you will lose. You will lose. I literally had the best trading day of not the year, but in the last few months I haven't had such a good trading day today. All using the model, following it to the T. You can do that. You can do that. Get yourself funded as well. Down. This is the platform that I'm using right now for crypto, and yeah, I'll probably bankrupt them. So hurry. Okay, so VLD I promised, right? So let's look at that, and then give me some other altcoins. Let's get creative. Let's get creative on the altcoins. See what's up. Ugh. I mean, this is horrible. This is H bar. Okay, Sui H bar. Cool, we're gonna look at that. I mean, there is liquidity at 2.2, but the way we're trading, I have no idea where this is gonna end. Unfortunately, I have no idea. So for worlds, I will just track all the other alts and whatever they're doing, and then I would look for some sort of confirmation, at least like on the 12-hour or is 4-hour good? Yeah, but definitely if you have the indicators, you're gonna see the signs, right? You're gonna see a formation like this, but in the reverse. We're gonna look at metals as well for sure. In the reverse, you will see a triangular formation. That will be your first confirmation, and then you need to be looking at price action using the RTM model to find an entry, because this right now is catching a bottom, right? So we're not going to do that. That's stupid. We're not going to do dumb stuff. Okay, H bar. H bar. Level number 1 that I'm interested in, very interested. Mind you, this is the daily. It can be wicked, right? But you can use the Pionex bots. Here are the bots. You can buy at a level and sell. You know how this works. 0.09839. This is the level. Okay, what am I doing? H bar. Okay, you have one level, can be wicked deeply, can be wicked to 0.09. Right, it doesn't matter. What matters is on a daily time frame that you close above this level. This is what matters. Then if you lose that level, the next level on H bar is down here. That's how you're looking at it. You have even one more down here in case like you completely you know, drop. So these are literally the levels that I'm interested on H bar. Make a screenshot, do whatever you want to do. Sui. Oh my god, did you guys hear that? It literally shook me. That was my phone. I said Sui and it thought I said Siri, but I didn't say Siri. How silly. Okay, bearish distribution from our levels here. 1.71 was one of our levels, so the bearish distribution continues. Do we have anything in the midterm over here that could potentially save us? You know, maybe you're looking at around 1.06, maybe you're looking at 1.1. Like literally I'd say I mean, we can definitely find the level. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, you could potentially have a level over here, right? You could potentially just draw draw yourself sort of a level like 1.1, $1, like all of this sort of decision-making area, right? Decision-making area. You want to see price doing something at that, you know, between 1.1 and 1.05. And then you have clear levels after that, which are, let's actually extend that a little bit, do a little bit extendo over here. And then you have 0.83 and 0.74, obviously worst case scenario, right? But still not the worst altcoin, because you haven't really traded below zero, whereas World has done that. What am I seeing here? APT has done that. You know, a lot of them have done that. XRP, honestly, higher time frame, it looks good, like very, very high time frame. All right, so these are your levels for Sui. What else? Do we have any other altcoins? Screenshot the levels, do whatever you feel you need to do. Okay. But these are the levels. All right, let's look at Bitcoin right now, see what's happening. Man, this was such a crazy day today. Insane day. Unbelievable. Even managed to catch a scalp from the true week. Don't forget to hit the like, guys and girls. Yes, you guys, don't forget that. That really helps. You know what's really annoying? That I'm doing live streams and only pre-recorded videos on YouTube get Steam, and the algorithm supports only pre-recorded videos, which is so annoying. Which is so damn annoying. Daily not bad. I would say it's not entirely terrible. It's not entirely terrible. So you're looking for some support down here to trade that. You haven't got a confirmation yet. You do want to see that confirmation on daily time frame. You don't have it yet, right? You probably yet to get it. You don't have it yet. Okay, you don't have it. You don't have it. But I like that you're maintaining this level. Well, not really, barely, I'd say. But you kind of are. Okay. It's a kind of a massive level here on the weekly. This is worrisome. Eventually you're gonna get these levels down here, 0.02. So let's hope that it doesn't happen before that. See, on a daily, you have one level over here, very clear, at 0.25. You have one level at 0.25. Let's see how far. 10%, not too bad. So you're potentially looking at that for TRX. You're welcome. You're welcome. Potentially looking at that. And otherwise, I mean, nothing for now. You need to break levels maybe, and then start to look at some support over here between 0.27, you know, at around the 0.27 region. But you don't have that confirmation yet, so I wouldn't get too excited about this, right? Yeah, I mean, we're getting some sort of reaction from where we wanted to get reaction in the last couple days. So there is some sort of, but very weak. It's very weak. I don't entirely like it, but it's working. For now, it's working if you longed where we wanted to long. But for how long, I genuinely don't know. Genuinely don't know. But you have some levels, right? Within this block, like I think, you know, even down here, retests could be plausible. 515, even with that area, like it's not gonna be too bad, right? like with that area 503, like anything 503, 500, 495 in this area, and then close above 515. I think that would be very nice. That might be very nice because higher time frame, you know, you are supposed to exit this plus 720. All right, check out Bard. What is that? Hi Lanu. Hi guys. Bard, is that like a meme coin or something? I don't trade meme coins. Probably Dodgy can help you with that, but 4 hourly, you had a liquidity level, you took it, you dropped. Like if you're trading a meme coin, if you get a liquidity number, yes, everyone hit the like button. If you get a liquidity number, liquidity level at a number, usually it's just to sweep it and then just like send lower. So yeah, I'd be looking at 0.82 for potential rejection. Like I wouldn't trust that. I don't know, 0.74 for support, but not yet. Like I genuinely don't know how to trade these things. Gold. So gold, I want to short gold, right? Not yet. I told you yesterday I'm waiting for gold to come up here. Hopefully we'll see. Maybe tomorrow we get a short from 4353, or today even, but I won't be trading that. But my area of interest for shorting gold is going to be at the highs, right? 4381, 440, 4440, like all of this area here, like literally all of this area here for gold is short for me. Does that make sense? I think for silver, silver has a bit more steam, but around 70 should be some sort of exhaustion as well on silver. For sure, I would expect some sort of exhaustion around $70. But silver is very strong. We just need a pullback, right? We just need a pullback, and around $70, around 73 at the max, I think it will be good. Palladium, I don't even want to talk about. Palladium is palladium, you guys. Palladium is gonna, it has so much more. Palladium has so much more. Palladium is gonna go to these highs. I'm very excited. It's just the beginning for palladium. From now on, we're just looking on any pullbacks, like for example, area 1530 for re-entries on palladium. Golden, I think that'll be very good. Deeper retracement, then you're looking at 1375. I think that would be very good as well for palladium. And you know, it seems crazy, but here it is. It's not, it's actually real, right? It's here. It's here. This is your proof that palladium is going. Quote me if you want on that. Quote me if you want on that. Nat gas, it's already reacting from zones on a daily, right? Nat gas, this was, I was debating if I should long here at, you can see it, right? This is with the indicators. This is the area. I was debating if I should long at 3767. I didn't, right? I didn't. I should have, but I didn't. So my plan here with natural gas is to observe, to be a bit more observant, and to wait for a retrace, right? Either to my other zones of interest, which were a little bit below, or if it starts to send, we're just gonna have to go for it, you know. Platinum has more steam for sure. I'm expecting it to reject at you know, at around 1900, around 1955, 2000, like these sorts of area. Copper is very tricky. Honestly, it's very tricky. At $6, kind of like a bit, you know, too perfect. Almost reached $6, not really. But again, if you guys are looking to trade any of these CFDs, these are the accounts you can do. Vantage has all of the symbols. You can trade anywhere. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. I think it does actually. I'm not sure. But Vantage's Toro is more restricted and they're annoying me. So I don't think I'm going to help them anymore. But Vantage Markets, and also if you are looking to invest on Discord, you're going to find my eToro link if you're looking to invest. Okay, if you want to support the stream, this is how you can do it. So with these links, but Discord is over here. If you want a VIP role on Discord, it's for free. All you need to do is use your UID with the Bluffin link to get on Discord. And that's where you'll see all my daily updates, right? Where I say what I think about the market, whether it's good to long, whether it's good to short. That's where I say these things. Are we done with TradFi? Probably not. Probably not. What else did I want to look at? So yeah, are we clear on the metals actually? Because that's the focus. You know, even though I'm talking about all these things, I'll probably focus on gold, silver, palladium, natural gas. So that's already four symbols, right? Like I'm not gonna trade like crazy, such as what I do with crypto, right? So if the market is suiting me, I'm gonna trade the alts that I want to trade, which are gonna be a specific number. They're not gonna be all of them. I'm not looking to chase the market. I don't care, right? But Bitcoin is the one that I'm interested in when the market is trading like that. Ethereum as well, obviously. So ETH and BTC. Solana, not interested at all, right? I know that Solana is going to go for its liquidity right now, and that's what I'm interested to see. So 121, all right? And then it's important to find out if we're going to hold that level. If not, we're screwed. Hi, Zebu. Silver all-time high again. Well, yeah, I mean, what's the news? I'm kind of surprised that we didn't get higher number already. You know what I mean? Like, it's crazy. But we do have liquidities. This thing is going to pull back. We're just waiting for the right moment. We have to be very, very careful, right? For confirmations and stuff like that, at least the 4 hour, right? At least I wouldn't even trust the 4 hour. I'd say like 12 hours is better. Hopefully we're gonna get a red day. Hi, Luis Gonzalez. Everyone that's new here, just to remind you, I had the best trading day in months. Like this crappy price action, I've been eating it up today, and it was very nice. It was very nice to see that the model works perfectly. Long here, short up here, long down here for a scalp. It was just insane. It was absolutely insane. If you are not on the range model theory course, the link is down here. Get it for Christmas, you guys. Learn it in your holiday time. Come back January fresh, ready to go. Just that's my recommendation. Okay. Do we have any other good altcoins, you guys? Have you seen something? I'm just gonna scroll through the list because I haven't been interested. I have so many coins here. Like, who came up with so many coins? I don't understand. Even ones that are just not even valid anymore. But overall, like on my altcoins, I'm like on red, you know, so it's not even cute, you know, it's terrible. Not even excited about that one bit. Samir J, hello. Long time no see, buddy. So happy to see you here. Pippin, who showed that BS? Who's the shiller here? This is some BS venture capital bull. I don't want to say it, right? For sure it's that. Pippin is some what is that, bro? Like, come on. I'm not about these things, guys. Honestly, like, not about these things. What's Pippin? Can you tell me, Methodical Marcus? It looks like a massive, you know, I understand that it's going up, but yeah, I mean, this is some insider stuff that I'm not interested in, right? Just this is just kids making money, you know. Sky. Yeah, shitcoin, that's what I thought. Is that Skycoin? I mean, you know what, like I could no alts, please. That's so funny. I don't even know what Skycoin is, guys. I don't want to know what Skycoin is. I'm not interested. Okay? I'm not interested. I mean, there's so many more things that, you know, we could be looking at. So not interested. Oh man. Damn. Oh, that's some news for sure. We had some news for AI today, actually. We had some news for AI today. We just have to look it up. So I definitely received all the news today. Sector-wide pullback despite multiple bullish analyst notes and large AI backing. I mean, it's like market rotation at the moment. Like, there is nothing else I can explain this with. It should be market rotation, right? That's happening because there is no other major news. It's just market rotation, I feel. For sure. For sure. Like, who doesn't want to like offload and go and buy some silver or palladium at the moment? Right? Biotech is an old story. Biotech is an old story. But it could pick up. Like, I'm waiting for something. You know? I'm waiting for something. I'm waiting to hear something. What a massive dump. Oh, it could get worse. $300 from here. NAS was clean today, Zebu is saying. Were you trading NAS? Yeah, I mean, we know it's clean, right? Because we have a target. 23,800. Can you check Crow? Sure. Wait, I need to go on my crypto stuff. Guys, do we actually have 18 people? That's ridiculous. Why am I live here with almost 3,000 subscribers? We have 19 people watching. You guys don't deserve my attention, I swear to God. Like, why am I doing this? 19 people. Are you kidding me right now? I'm offended. I'm so offended. This is just ridiculous. Crow was like the cleanest freaking cell. More love for us. No, we need to have 1,900 people here, right? We need to be helping that many people. You know why I'm angry? I'm angry because of all the stupid influencers that are getting so many views and they don't even know what they're talking about. That's why I'm angry. Okay. Because we're actually giving some freaking insane information over here. Gabby, we are with you. Yes, I love it. I love it that you guys are with me. I absolutely love it. But I also don't think I deserve to have 19 people live. very, very poor effort from my followers. I agree. They're just like, you know, let them watch, let them get wrecked. I don't care. It's gonna take time, but we're gonna have like a very, very strong community over here, I'm telling you. So Crow was actually nuts. It was an amazing sell from this level back when we were looking at like earlier in the year earlier. Samir, yeah, I know it's good. Like I can see it in my P&L. Do you know what I mean? Like I just I think for Crow right now, the retest down here, can you see how freaking don't ban me YouTube, how freaking clean it was down here, the double bottom, right? This area. Get the indicators, you guys, again, I'm telling you. Okay. Down here, double bottom, that's your how to advertise, get the word out. I don't know. I'm very bad at these things. I don't care. I don't have time to like spam post. I'm not gonna hire someone from a third world country to spam post you on Twitter just like everyone else does. I'm not gonna do that. I think it's pathetic. I think it's pathetic that these dudes are talking to each other, pretending to be the influencers. Yeah, man, that's a very good point. Don't overtrade, you guys. You're gonna overtrade. Don't overtrade. Oh my god. Thank you. Ne. Само не говоря за тях, да. So hilarious, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a huge bust, honestly. Like there is a level that it is at right now. Daily level, but obviously you need to be able to match it with the rest of the market, and the rest of the market hasn't proved that, you know, there is going to be a reversal like now. I mean, not yet. So Crow is definitely not one that's clean to me at the moment, and it won't be in the near future, so I'm not interested. Yes, you would then become less liked, no doubt. Are you kidding me? Captain JJ, it takes time to grow an audience. Zuluan, hey Zuluan, long time no see. Captain JJ, I agree. I definitely agree. But it's also a fact that I'm not pushing. Can you not pay a premium to be top of searches YouTube? No, I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I could, but that's just messing with the algorithm. I actually like this dump. This is brilliant because we might get some entries tomorrow. This is brilliant. So keep it at that. Very happy with today's price action, you guys. Honestly, like, you know, looking at Crow being at level, looking at ETH being at level, something might be happening, but not today. It should be tomorrow. I searched the other day for your name and I had to type almost all of your name before you appeared. Yeah, I mean, to get to the top of the search list, I think it gets, it takes like, I don't know what it takes. It takes, I guess, yeah, views. I don't know. We'll see. We'll grind it out, you guys. We'll grind it out. But hopefully, you know, for next year, because honestly, like when the market is good, we are doing well. Like we've been getting 90. One time, I think we had 90 people watching us live. Like it's not that it doesn't happen. It happens. Do you know what I mean? It happens. It's definitely post trading hours, so I'm not even gonna look for a trade here. I don't want to do it. So tomorrow is difficult, can't get one without the other. Yeah, I mean, it's whatever, honestly. Like, it's fine. We're doing what we have to be doing, right? Yeah, this is the liquidity that we need to grab on Solana. So for anyone that's trying to long right now, just FYI, this is what we're looking at. Okay, so not yet. Yeah, man. It is what it is. But you guys, obviously, you can support me. Use my links, right? Especially Blofin. Use my links if you want to support me. If you want to be on Discord, you can have your VIP. All these things. I keep repeating that. Everyone's out buying Christmas presents. Yeah, that's really cool. And Dottie bought silver for his kids. How freaking amazing is that? So when silver is the same price as gold, they'll be very happy. I'm very grateful for today. Very grateful. Hey, please, what are you saying, Samar J? I don't understand. Let's look at the futures a little bit. Dottie's a dude. Yes, he is. Definitely a big dude. Pippin up 13% on the day while the whole market is red. This is some money laundering BS, I'm telling you. Like, it can't be anything else. Some washing happening here. Can you look for a chart? BT, what's that? Like, is it a crypto? Oh, British Telecom. Okay. I swear I knew the ticker for that. He just told us that he works there. Can you believe it? Hold on, let's start on a monthly first. Start on a monthly liquidity. Nice formation. As soon as the liquidity was taken at 2.7, you had a sell. That's not bad. It's holding. It does look very bullish though. What is that? I think chart's too erratic. No, it's not erratic. It's a nice chart. It's not erratic at all. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Meme coin charts are erratic. They haven't left us much in terms of weekly, but daily we have some targets. 444. Yeah, not too bad. Otherwise no highs of interest up here. I want to you want to sell in the coming days? I mean, to me it doesn't look like a sell chart anymore. If it did, it doesn't anymore, to be fair. It's showing strength. Like I would not make any decisions on this. ADA is looking fine. Like we said, for ADA we have all of this area between 0.27 and 0.36. So that's the holding area, and then you're looking at you know, 0.7 after you take liquidity, after you sweep liquidity, 0.71, then I don't know, if we're lucky, 0.78. Yeah, it does show strength. Like, I would not at the moment. I agree. Yeah. So yeah, this is for ADA. Yeah, it's a huge range, but this is what we're dealing with, right? This is what we're dealing with right now. 34% buying range. Blame the wick. Blame the wick. It is what it is. Right? 0.35 could be an area, to be fair. But you also have liquidity down here at 0.31 on the 12-hourly, so just a bit wishy-washy. But yeah, the whole range needs to be considered. Yes, you guys, if you don't get my course, I'll be very upset. I worked so hard to do it for you. Who's planning to get the course? In the chat box, let me know. See, only requests. People just want me to give. This is what you've been learned from all the cheap, you know, people. You've been taught that you should be getting stuff like you should be getting everything like that because they're scammers. You guys don't understand that when you don't pay for something, there is something else, right, behind it. $70 LTC. This is my last resort, I think. $70, and after that I'll be a little lost. Like, $70 could wick to 66, 65 if it wants to. I don't care, but like, that's kind of like my line in the sand, if that makes sense. Did I add it to my TradFi list? Yes, I did. Uniswap, I don't even know. I mean, bad, right? Like, it's one of the nasty ones. One of the nasty ones. Potentially, I would like Uniswap. I'd look 4.5 maybe, but unrealistic considering everything else has such a big range. Unrealistic. Like, this could go like even lower, and I don't know exactly. Right, like this whole range. Let's work with the ranges, right? Let's work with the ranges. If it's, we have double bottom here, so definitely a target. Daily time frame, you could be coming as low as here, right? You could be coming as low as $4. Could be coming as low as $4 for most likely, actually, on uni. And then again, like on the 12-hourly, you have like this $2 is very concerning to me. Like, that's why I probably won't trade it, but you know, you could potentially find some support. 4.7, 4.55, but this low down here is really concerning. And then looking for $10 if everything goes well. Like, that's it. Only Philip. I'm so like, why did I do it? ICP, like also 12-hourly, like it has potential for sure. It does have potential, but I don't know how low it can actually go. I actually have no idea how low this thing can go anymore. MicroStrategy, if it's dead, I don't know, honestly. Like, I have no idea about their plans and what they think. I have few levels on MicroStrategy. That's 152 and 131 and 100, around 100, 102. These are the levels that I'm interested, but considering that liquidity at 100 hasn't been taken, I won't be surprised if there is a comeback to that level. But these are pretty much the levels that I'm watching for a reaction on MicroStrategy. Tesla, oh my god, what a day. I didn't even check that. Oh my god, congratulations, take profit on Tesla trade from literally April, finally today. Oh my god, how did I not check that? That's sick. How did I not check that? Oh my god, that's so sick. That's so sick. You're welcome, you're welcome. No, that's fine, that's totally fine. In control. What a day, you guys. I'm actually so tired. Okay, let's call it a day. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure to like if you haven't liked the video. Elon knows something, probably, you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget, we don't have a stream for the next 2 weeks because I'm going on a holiday. So you need to be on Discord, okay? You need to come join Discord, and I'll do my best to send alerts for anyone that's trading. All right, much appreciated as well, you guys. Thank you so much.